What's the meaning of alight? Alight. 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 Alight.
Alight has multiple meanings depending on the context it's used in. As a verb, it can mean to descend or get off a vehicle or to descend from a height. It can also mean to come to rest or settle down somewhere, or to light upon or come across something by chance. As an adjective, it can describe something that is on fire or glowing with light. In general, alight refers to a state of descending or settling down, often with a sense of coming into contact with something.